Really? Would you guys like to go out now that the rains have finally stopped? Come on, kids. Come on, Coby. Where's your sister? Come on, Sarah, Gracie. Come on, Coby. Good boy. Where's Sarah? Sarah, we're not going in yet. Come on. Hey, come on, let's go. It's gonna be a little while. We're outside here. Come on. Sarah, come on, let's go. Good girl. Oh, you're such a good girl. I know you guys aren't generally pool dogs, but we've got Odin coming this afternoon, and he likes to roll around in it. You are welcome to go in it, though. Not interested, are you? Where'd Coby go? I see Coby. He's underneath the trailer. There he is. They do like to hide under there. Little clubhouse. Really, Gracie? Laying in the mud? Oh, such a dirty dog. But cute. And lovable. I think Sarah and Coby are under the trailer. What do they got going on over there? Where's Sarah, guys? I think she's waiting for us by the door. You don't want to go back in? Come on, we go back in. Hi, Sarah. Yes, I had a feeling you were waiting to go in. Come on. You coming, Coby? There you are. I know, everybody's waiting for a treat. Okay, ladies first. There you go. Here you go, Sarah. Good girl. Yes, Coby, we got one for you too. Look at that tail. Look at that tail go. You're a happy dog. Why is your head all dirty?